Introduce highlight features or overview summary of MILADO 12V 100W oil change extractor pump, electric engine oil pump, portable fluid transfer pump. There are features include 12V 100W pure copper motor. The oil change pump uses a 100W high-power motor, engine oil flow rate, 10 to 90 degrees Celsius, 1 to 4 liter per minute, that ensures fast and stable suction rates, corrosion-resistant and non-rusting, effectively preventing oil leakage or short circuit. All-in-one design. 1X oil extractor pump, 1X outlet hose, ID 8mm, OD 12mm, 1X inlet hoses, ID 8mm, OD 12mm, 2X clamp, 2X anti-leakage plug, 1X portable suitcase, 1X instruction. MILADO oil pump extractor and accessories are all packed in a portable suitcase and ready to use anytime, anywhere, no extra tools needed. Excellent performance. The fluid extractor pump is highly efficient. The extraction can be completed by one person. It is equipped with 2 thicker hoses, and the entire extraction process can be clearly seen. Leak-proof plug stops drips instantly, keeping space clean and safe. Widely used. The oil suction pump is suitable for engine oil, diesel oil, transmission fluid, gear oil, and more. Suitable for motorcycle, car, RV, boat, and lawnmower and more. Please note that it cannot transfer water, gasoline, petrol, fuel, or flammable liquid. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.